Dear students, in this lecture I will concentrate on Fermi-Dirac statistics and Fermi-Dirac distribution function. I told you earlier that electron is Fermion and usually we are dealing with electrons. That's why Fermi-Dirac statistics and Abel distribution function is very much important in this regard. So this is the form of Fermi distribution function and this is the final form. I have already explained earlier. F equals to 1 by e to the power e minus ef by kt plus 1. Now various cases may arise. So here let's have a look on this expression. F equals to 1 by exponential of ei minus ef by kt plus 1. So here T is the variable, T is the temperature, and ei is the variable, that is the energy of particular ith particle. I have already mentioned earlier. So ei and T are variables. Now, so it depends on temperature. So it depends on temperature. So I will explain how F depends on temperature at a fixed value of ei. Okay. Now we consider first case at T equals to 0. We consider T equals to 0 means at 0 Kelvin temperature. What is the nature of F at 0 Kelvin temperature? So two cases may arise, means there are two possibilities. First one, ei greater than ef, and in the second one, ei less than ef. There are two possibilities or two chances. First one we consider ei greater than ef. If ei greater than ef means this term is positive, so e to the power some positive value by kt, t equals to 0 plus 1 means e to the power some positive value by 0 means e to the power infinity plus 1. 1 can be neglected, so 1 by a large value or infinitely large value means it is tending to 0. Clear? So F equals to 0 for ei greater than ef provided T equals to 0 Kelvin. Second case, in second case we consider ei less than ef. Ei less than ef indicates ei minus ef is negative. Clear? So e to the power minus negative minus a number, that is e to the power negative value by 0 means e to the power minus infinity plus 1. This means e to the power minus infinity means 1 by e to the power infinity. 1 can be neglected, so 1 by e to the power minus infinity plus 1. E to the power minus infinity means it is tending to 0. 1 by a large number means 0. So 1 by 0 plus 1 means 1. So F equals to 1 for ei less than ef provided T equals to 0. So we can summarize this. F equals to, F means F function of ei equals to 1 for ei less than ef. F equals to 0 for ei greater than ef. It can be drawn graphically. Along y-axis we consider f, along x-axis we consider ei. Suppose we consider a particular point on the ei axis. Let it be represented by a dotted vertical line like this. Okay, so at t equals to 0 Kelvin. So f equals to 1, f equals to 1, f equals to 1, and let this value, which I consider by dotted line, this is also energy. Since it is considered on the energy axis, ei axis, let it be ef. So this is the range up to which f equals to 1. So ei less than ef. So ei less than ef means up to ef it is 1, and beyond ef, ei greater than ef, when energy EI greater than EF, beyond this range it becomes 0. So it behaves like a step function, like a step. It looks like a step. So it is called step function in mathematics. So up to EF it is 1 and beyond EF it is 0. Clear? And here this F is the Fermi distribution function, or in other words it is called occupation index. It comes from the concept of probability. Occupation index. Occupation index 1 means all the states are filled up. There is no empty or vacant state. All the states are filled up. So F is referred to as occupation index or probability of occupancy. So F equals to 1 up to F. It indicates that all the states are filled up. States means quantum states. All the states are filled up. There is no vacant or empty space, empty states up to F. And beyond F, all the states are vacant or empty as F becomes 0. F becomes 0 beyond F. Okay. So from this point of view, we can define EF. So up to F, F equals to 1, all the states are filled up, and beyond F, all the states are empty. So EF is a particular energy. It is called Fermi energy or Fermi energy level. Highest occupied, it is defined as the highest occupied energy level. Means up to EF all the states are filled up and beyond EF all the states are empty. So Fermi level, EF is the Fermi level, can be defined as the highest occupied energy level at 0 Kelvin temperature. You should mention temperature, otherwise it is meaningless, because Fermi level depends on temperature. So highest occupied energy level at 0 Kelvin temperature is referred to as Fermi level. It is 1, means all the states are filled up. That's why it is called highest occupied energy level. And another important or remarkable point to mention over here, that I have mentioned a dotted line, dotted vertical line instead of a solid line. Why I have mentioned a dotted line? EF, consider EF at EI equals to EF. We consider this Fermi distribution function. EI equals to EF means it is 0, T equals to 0. So it takes 0 by 0 form, e to the power 0 by 0. It becomes indeterminate form. In mathematics, it is referred to as indeterminate form. It doesn't exist practically. That's why I have mentioned a dotted line, dotted vertical line. It just indicates the range up to which F becomes 1 or unity. Okay. So since 0 by 0 form doesn't exist, that's why we call it indeterminate form. That's why I have mentioned a vertical dotted line. Up to F, it is just mentioned in order to indicate the range of energy. That is the highest occupied energy level, and this is the definition of Fermi level at 0 Kelvin temperature. Next we consider non-zero temperature. Definition of Fermi level, second case, at non-zero temperature T not equals to 0. If T not equals to 0, we consider EI minus EF. EI minus EF exactly equal to EF. When EI exactly equal to EF and T equals to non-zero temperature, means it is 0, EI equals to EF, 0 by a positive number, means e to the power 0 means 1. So 1 by 1 plus 1 means 1 by 2 means half. Clear? So F equals to half at EI equals to F at non-zero temperature. So this is the corresponding figure. This is F versus energy. This is for T equals to 0 Kelvin. I have already mentioned T equals to 0 Kelvin. And this is non-zero temperature. This is the graph for non-zero temperature. So F equals to half. Half means 50% of the fields are occupied. Fields or states are occupied and the rest 50% is empty. So 50% of the states are occupied and rest 50% empty. This is half value. So this 50% is filled up and rest 50% is empty. So this is the nature of, it is not drawn correctly. Whatever, you may consult any textbook in this regard for the correct figure. I will describe in details later about the correct figure. Just for the time being, remember F equals to half means 50%. Half means in terms of probability of occupancy it is 50%. 50% of the states are filled up and the rest 50% is empty. So in this regard, Fermi level can also be defined. So it can be defined as the energy level for which 50% of the states are filled up and the rest 50% is empty. So mind it, at non-zero temperature should be mentioned. Temperature should be mentioned, otherwise it is meaningless. So at 0 Kelvin temperature I have already defined Fermi level. At non-zero temperature I have already defined Fermi level. So Fermi level can be defined at various temperature range.